Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change background in Telegram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Telegram application, then get logged into your account. At the homepage of Telegram, you need to tap on three horizontal lines on top left of your screen. Here, you need to tap on your profile. To change the background, you need to scroll to the little down. At the settings section, you can see the option of chat settings. You tap on it. To change background, you need to tap on change chat background. Here, you also can select from your gallery and choose from there as your background, or you can go with a random chat background given in the Telegram. I will show you by selecting from gallery. You tap on select from gallery. Here, you can go in for selecting any of the pictures you want to keep as your Telegram background, as I'm going with this one. Here, you need to tap on the tick mark on bottom of your right screen. You also can make it blurred by tapping on blurred, or you also can make it motion by tapping on motion. After you are done, you tap on set background. Now your background will be set. This is how you can change a background in Telegram. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change background in Telegram. Thank you.